The next topic is non-visual assertions. And basically, in this release, we allow you to combine the powerful visual checkpoints that Applitools offers with non-visual assertions, anything that you could write in code. And you can use it to verify dynamic data and deal with random data. You can verify textual content, formats, patterns, even compare and match with regular expressions. You can verify numeric values and quantities, check element visibility and whether elements are selected. You can verify items in a list or in a dictionary, in a JSON object. And of course, you can use Boolean operators such as and, or, not, etc. to build very complex assertions. So let's see this in action. Let's run all the way here to filling out my name in the name field. And let's write some assertions as an example. Okay, let's enter Adam Carmi as name. Great. So let's write the assertion. Verify that the text in the name field is capitalized, for example. That works. Let's verify, because Adam Carmi is capitalized, let's verify that it is lowercase. It doesn't work because it's not lowercase. I can do something more compound. Let's make sure that the name field is capitalized and starts with Adam. Okay, that works. So we can go on and on. You get the picture. Everything that you have in your code in Selenium, Cypress, Playwright, whatever that you can assert on, you can do it now with plain English. Now, when we're talking about assertions, of course, everyone thinks about what if I want to do data-driven testing. That's very easy to do as well. So let's get this step out of the way so it won't execute. And let's use parameters. So using parameters and variables is super easy. You would just use a curly braces notation. You just need to add, instead of Adam Carmi, name. Okay, that's it. Now we have a parameter for the test, which is name. Now we can verify that the text in the name field, after I type it, is name. We can get rid of this empty step. We can change the email to be a parameter, email. Okay, super easy. Now, in order for me to run this test, I need to provide values for these parameters. I have this icon over here that allows me to do it. These parameters are already populated at the global level, name and email. This is Moshe, my dear co-founder, and his email. So let's set the values. And now if we rerun our test, we can see that we are filling out Moshe's name and Moshe's email, and the validations actually validates Moshe's name. So it's super easy to work with dynamic data. Just as a reminder, when we are adding this, saving this test and adding it to a plan to execute, we need to provide the values for the execution, either explicitly, like I've done here, or we use the data set that we upload and attach the test to the data set. A data set is a tabular file that basically has columns for variable names and rows for variable values. And if you attach a test to the data set, it will basically run multiple times, once for each row on the data set. So this is what we call data-driven testing.